Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aurangzeb, and let's we learn English translation with Pashto language. Let's start. My city, Zama Khar, Zama Khar. My car, Zama Gade, Zama Gade. My house, Zama Kor, Zama Kor. My shop, Zama dukan, Zama dukan. My country, Zama watan, Zama watan. My village, Zama kale, Zama kale. My flag, Zama janda, Zama janda. My cap, Zama tope, Zama tope. My shoes, Zama Bhutan, Zama Bhutan. My pant, Zama patlun, Zama patlun. My shirt, Zama kameez, Zama kameez. My bike, Zama motorcycle, Zama motorcycle. My choice, Zama khwaha, Zama khwaha. My hope, Zama umid, Zama umid. My son, Zama zwe, Zama zwe. My father, Zama plar, Zama plar. My sister, Zama khor, Zama khor. My brother, Zama roar, Zama roar. My wife, Zama khaza, Zama khaza. My mother, Zama more, Zama more. My eyes, Zama starge, Zama starge. My nose, Zama puza, Zama puza. My hand, Zama las, Zama las. My foot, Zama khpa, Zama khpa. My teeth, Zama rakhuna, Zama rakhuna. My mouth,